we're out here in Michigan. Since it's peninsula, they kind of took the longest to get here. They've gotten everything a little to the west. They don't have it. We're gonna be guarding this house and neighborhood. I don't know how long that'll last. If it turns out to be too hard, too much fighting, we'll have to go over to the school that's over there, and a bunch of guys are gonna hole up there for a while so we can find a way to get out of here. So, come on. Boy, I wish they could be here to find out how bad. Right on that road. Dropping shells right over there. You could drop one right on this building. Let's get out of here. Here comes the car. Let's go. Fire over there. Let's get out of here. Come on. I saw the guys pull up in that school over there.